We have just now left the Little Mermaid, and we're moving along the so-called Danish Lange Linie, and through a little green area here. There you can see on that sign, you can see World Naked Bike Ride. Some people slowing up here. Maybe they want to have a picnic somewhere. There we see a beautiful naked man riding along the moat. Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
Right. Oh, I think this this is a great day. Sun and the weather, the gods are all with us today. Look at those beautiful people. Absolutely. Oops. Sorry, I kind of dropped the camera a second. We'll pick it up here. Okay. I put some sun cream lotion on my hands. They were a little bit slippery, so I kind of dropped the camera for a second. So maybe you guys got a... Look at these white people. They're really white. Maybe that'll protect them against the sun, which is kind of strong today.
Oh, that just feels like at home.
Do you guys know if we're going out to Christiania straight or are we going through the town?
Going through the town.
Great. Excellent. So maybe I should save some video.